Welcome my viewers and subscribers. Guys, I just want to say to you, thank you very, very much. In other words, thank you 1,000,000% for all the support, for all the comments, for all the texts, for all the messages, for all the calls. I've been away for a little bit, in and out. Now I'm going to try to answer as much messages, texts that I can, comment that I can answer. Guys, in the meantime, check out the website. I have some merch over there. More merch is adding, more and more and more merch is adding. So I'm asking you to go over there, support the thing, It's early, it's early, but support the business. And guys, I'll be dropping some links. You can click on the links, see what I go on. But for right now, watch the video. Enough respect, enough manners. And guys, thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Like the video. Share the video. And watch the ads them. I'm out. And guys, remember, when you can be a member, send me some messages out there. And guys, a live coming up very soon. Yes, a live coming up very, very soon. And I will post and tell you guys when I go live again. I'm out. Bye-bye. Watch the video. Yeah, watch the video. Yeah, man.
What well, me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, I want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney.
When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? All right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, you not feel any pain? If you not feel no pain, me feel good. If you not feel any pain, remember what you do. Go check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your home. If you have the money. If you don't have the money, make somebody bring you to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Remember, do wellness check by your friends, your family, and even your enemy. Guys, you see, if you know cooking at the evening, go cook some food, left it over the old lady or up at the old man. Cross the street, because remember, mental health is not a joke. It's not something you play with, and it's not something you lie about. You hear me I say? Guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Or, hold on. Happy birthday to you. Happy, go shorty. It's your birthday. You don't know. You don't give a if for your birthday. Go up in at the club and have a wonderful time and have some fun. Respect. Have respect. Love yourself and love each other. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I come across a video, yeah? And the video when me come across, I wasn't going to say nothing. I wasn't going to make any effort. I wasn't going to say a word. But there is a few things in the video that Mr. Chuck are going to say a few words. And my viewers and subscribers, the video we book up on is the female, the lady that called Krista. Yeah. Oh yeah. My viewers and subscribers, I never wanted to listen to the video either. But I said to myself, you know what? Let's listen to what she have to say. So I listen. And guys, I listen. Close my door. Guys, I listen, and I listen. And guys, I heard nothing. All I heard was nothing. No accountability. All I heard was she having a problem with how her picture was out there. She worry about her image. She worry about how did her mugshot reach out there. But hello, lady. Remember, it's me. Remember, it's me you're dealing with. Yeah. Yeah. So, she's concerned because she believes somebody leaked it. But just so you know, nobody leaks it to me. Nobody. Oh, nobody leaks nothing to me. Learn that. And another thing, you're worried about your image and about what Nari have done to you when you're at your lowest level. My question to you is, if you feel and think that Nari done things to you at your lowest level, why did you allow Brokeback and stupid baby father, stupid father, fi carry you out? As a matter of fact, they didn't carry you out. Why did you decided to come out here on their channel when they are the one who was beating down Nari? Why did you do that? But now you're saying about he did what to you at your lowest point? At your lowest what? That's kind of a very strange way to come out here to present something to the same people that dislike your present husband even though you and him not together. And you come out here on the social media and say that you don't know anything about why your mugshot was taken. But you're worrying about your image. Make it make sense. Come on now, Krista. Make it make some form of sense. You know, me not... Listen good. I am not the person who is going to sugarcoat and talk nice when I see people try to beat down people. No, I'm not that kind. I'm not that one. When you come out here, you know, let me say this to you, Krista. This thing could have been happening and you do not, or never come out here, come say A or B. Remember, you and Nari is not together from about 2002, 2001 or 2004. Somewhere along the line. I mean, I bust my brain on that right now. You and the man wasn't together. You never come out here and say A or B. But you was behind the scene, sending a few hints to these people, little by little. You never come on the scene. You allow these nincompoops to draw you out in the YouTube street where if your skin not thick, your skin have to thick like this. Your skin must be thick like this when you're coming on YouTube. Yes, that's how your skin must thick, like this. Thick. Yes, it must be very tick. Because people out here is not going to joke or play around with you when you come out here acting like you don't know why your mugshot was taken. When you come out here worrying about who and why did somebody let out your mugshot, or why did your mugshot reach? That's whosoever sent the picture of you at the funeral, you need to talk to that person. That's the person who get you involved out. Who was the person who posted that video? Remember, let me tell you this. Let me help you. I tell that individual not to put that picture out there. Ah, you didn't know that. A lot of you didn't know that. I said, do not put that picture out there. I did say it. I did say it. I said, do not put that picture out there. However, the picture still go out. You didn't know that. So the same people who you think is with you, they're not with you. They're only with you because they're looking likes, money, and views. Krista, you put yourself in this. Not Nari. Nobody but yourself. Now, you said something about Nari wasn't there when you were pregnant and you have some issues. Now, I go say this. I don't know about that part, but why didn't you say that when you come out in your first interview? Why didn't you say all those things? Why didn't you say all those things? Why now? You see, this is the thing. If you wanted to express yourself and let people know what really conspired, you could have done it. You could have done it easy. But you allowed them to spin and twist you. Now that you see that the YouTube street is more than what you believe. Krista, let me tell you something. All them information, a lot of information that don't even come out yet, I have. But guess what? I do not too like to beat down ladies. And my plan was not to really beat down ladies. That's the reason why a lot of information don't come out towards you. And I go tell you something. I know where you're pointing. But let me say this to you. I am a one-man band. One man. One person. One organization. I do not get no information from anybody where would track back to me or back to anybody. The information that I gather, there will be no track, no, what I call it. There'll be nothing to find to say, yeah, go around it. No, I don't play that kind of game. However, you having your baby, whatever issue you have, listen me good now, whatever issue you have when you were having your baby or when you were pregnant, just sit down and think about what Alicia Kim went through when they were dragging her name in and out on the internet. Sit down and think about it. Sit and think about it. What you went through with your relationship when you were having your child or when you were pregnant. Sit down and think about what Alicia Kim went through. Then you sit down and think about the context of what you is and was a part of by helping them to chastise Alicia Kim just because you want to get back at Nari. Let me tell you about unfair game. It don't only play twice. Play a lot of ways. In, out, around, over, under, everywhere. You said you have problems with your pregnancy, yeah? Or with having baby and all those things. I wasn't there. I don't know. So I'm only hearing it from you. And I am glad that you come out with your daughter. I am happy that you come out having your child. However, are you or did you think the same way what happened to you could have happened to Alicia Kim when you was helping these people? Come on now. Let us have a good conversation. Let us have this dialogue. I am not saying you're not hurting. But when I saw you on the video with Rumram, oh, you wasn't hurting. No. You wasn't hurting. You were going, hold on. People. I don't have, I don't hear part from my head, so I can't do what Krista was doing. But she was flanging her hair like this. She were flanging her hair like this. When you were on Rumram live, you were all smiling. Oh, hey, the chucker, the back boy. Him all could have looked on you. Him all could have looked on you. Because him say, him can't even look on you the way, oh, you're beautiful, the way your lip roses and all kind of things. So, hold on a little bit. So all those times when you were, modeling on Rumram Live, that feeling of the baby hurt and all those things that... So let me see if we get this straight. When you were on Rumram, doing all those gallivanting and all those things, yeah? Your baby was born, yeah? Because your baby's 2. So, my question to you is, you never know, say you did feel pain or you go through hell when you were on Rumram having that wonderful interview. Didn't you know all that? When you were lying, acting like you haven't done anything that's wrong, you did not know that Nari was at your lowest time? When you were lying about you didn't do anything, you didn't know why the police was called. You didn't know that Nari take advantage of you at your lowest time. It's such of a coincidence that all of a sudden, now that you realize the internet is licking you left, right, and center, all of a sudden, you're now ready to worry about your image? Let me see if me get that right. All these things that you have done, you go on to who? How much people live you go on to? What you said and what you did. Now you're worrying about your image? Meanwhile, you help these people to drag Nari and Alicia Kim through the mud. But now, you worrying about your image? And now, you're saying Nari take advantage of you at your lowest point. But up till now, I have not heard you said anything or take accountability for boxing that man, for putting your hand on that man. So what you're saying to me is your image is more important than the abuse that you abuse Nari. Rumor have it that Nari is not the first man that you allegedly box up, beat up, kick up. Rumor have it, allegedly. So all these things allegedly you have done, you worry about your image and who let out mugshot. That's what you worry about. Who let out mugshot? When if you was a smart woman, hold on, them say intelligency is, yeah, but a lot of us, I'm saying us, a lot of us human being who is intelligent dunce. Because you could have come out and said, you all need to leave Alicia Kim alone. You could have done that. You could have done that, but no. You didn't do that. You come out and join the bandwagon. You come out and you join the bandwagon. And now, you realize that the bandwagon can't help you. Them can't save you. Some of them have said them will support you. Them can't save you. Them cannot save you because when we come hard. You should have think before you come out here gun blazing. As a matter of fact, let me put it different. You should have think before you come out here with knife at a gunfight. Because a knife and machete you come with. I mean, I stay near you, make you chat me. Me I stay far with me pie. But listen to me, Krista. You have all right to talking. You can come out and say your piece and talk about your piece. However, accountability. Accountability. Take it. Take accountability for your actions. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. You too lie. You is too lie. Take accountability for your action. You're going to say that the man do whatsoever with you at your lowest point. Tell us if you really box him for you. Me want to know. Tell us. Since as you say him take advantage of you at your lowest point, tell we if you box him for you. Make we know if you box him for you. How that sound? Come out, make a video. Listen me good. Let me fix good on the chair. Make a video. Come out here. Take accountability for your action. Before you come out here, come tell us about any other reaction where you are going to react and tell me all kind of something where him do. Tell me what you do. Don't be like the Mackie. Don't be... Listen me. All you are tell us is what him do. Make we know what you do. Because we see the thing them what you do. We see the letter them what you write. We see the text them what you write. We see it. Stand up. Take accountability for your dirty action. Stop play the blame game. Stop play the blame game. Let me say this. Man and woman. Man and woman. I'm not talking about the boys and girls. Man and woman. Big man and big woman. Listen me good now. Me not talk to no man, you know, or no woman, you know. You see if you're in a relationship and the relationship go sour, go to one counselor. I want to see if you go to the counselor and when you come back from the counselor, everything are the same, nothing change. Sit down and part. Sit down and have a conversation about the two of you going that way. Do not fight each other. Then start blame that one, then that one, they start blame that one. They stop it. Cut it out. Cut it out. It don't look good. Stop point finger. Stop point finger. Oh, that one they do this, that one they do that. You know what you did that do when you're in a relationship. I do all kind of sort of things. Now you're blaming, you're pointing finger over Nari there. Nari in a relationship. Nari know what I'm doing in a relationship. Me don't know what Nari da do in a relationship. No, me I listen to what Nari say. Me I listen to what you say. But when you add up the two of them, it don't make no sense. When you add up the two of them, it doesn't make any sense because guess what? Nari have all the information about the relationship and what goes on in the relationship and what you have done to him. What you have, nothing more than telling us that you didn't do anything, everything pointing at Nari. Nari this, Nari that, Nari this, Nari that, Nari this, Nari that, nothing. The bad thing about it is when you are point so. What happened to that finger here? That finger you a point back on you. What have you been doing? Oh, nothing? Oh, my goodness. My God. My God. Imagine 2 people in a one relationship. Nobody done anything that's wrong. It's the same thing. Maki say Alicia Kim do everything. Everything. What did Maki do? Nothing. No, Maki haven't done anything that's wrong. Now you come with the same idea, the same strategy. Manipulation at its best. Controlization at its best. People are heard that. I heard that. Me don't even know if I heard that. Controlization. Is that a word? People, this woman never done anything. Again, me really have to continue to talk about this. The police lock her up for no reason. The police take her mugshot for no reason. She never know why she don't know why the police take her mugshot. But yet still, she said Nari manipulate her at her lowest. So why she never did say that for a long time? When she did, me talk too low. People, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave you right now. I'm going to leave you right now. Have a nice rest of the evening. And to the birthday girl and the birthday boy, have a wonderful birthday. Wonderful, nice birthday. Respect, enough manners. And Krista, Welcome to YouTube. Welcome to the real world, where you run out, you lick up in a one truck, but when you're out here, just tell the truth. I'm still looking, and I will be looking for that video of you telling us about the altercation that you and Nari have. The one that Nari say you box him 2 years as. Until when you tell us about that abuse, that's the time I will sit down and listen to you again. I will not be listening to you again. Or even, I think I have one more video that I make towards you. I won't make another one. But I did have to make this one. I need for you to tell us if you really and truly hit Nari. Until when you can do that, that's when I would feel like you're ready to get my acknowledgement again. If you cannot tell me if you really hit Nari, it doesn't make no sense you come out here, come blame Nari. We need to know if you lick the man. That is it. We need to know if you lick the man. So if you lick the man, come out here and tell us how you lick him. And tell us the reason why you lick him. I rest my case. And stop playing the blame game over there. And stop worry about your image, because you never did worry about your image when you box the man. I mean, I say no allegedly because Nari say that you do to him. Me not say no allegedly because Nari say that you do to him. So, you are worried about image? Stop worrying about the image and come tell us, come tell we if you really box the man for you. That time we will maybe, as a matter of fact, me not go have no pity for you. But me need you to come tell me about if you box the man. My viewers and subscribers, I'm out. I here. Have a nice evening. I'm out. Bye-bye.